way home, we got on the bus, and while we were waiting there, my stomach started hurting, and I blew this fart, Joe Rogan. That was so bad. Right? We were on a bus, and people started running. You know, the school buses. People started running to the windows, right, to swing down the bus windows. I farted again, and the teachers were going, "Oh my God, he's changing flavors." But the worst thing was the cheerleaders were crying. That's how bad it smelled. They were sitting in front of the bus going, "Ugh." One of the teachers yelled out, "Oh my God, he's changing flavors." That's how bad these farts were.
That's your next T-shirt.